Hey guys, welcome back for another video. So if you have recently just got your new iPhone 12 Pro, now don't go out with your phone naked because you can easily drop it and you could crack the back or the front of the iPhone, and they are really expensive to replace if they are cracked. So in this video I'm going to unbox the 5 different mirror cases right here, and you can see what they look like, and I'm just going to give it a quick review of the 5 different cases for your iPhone 12 Pro. So let's open up this one here and take a look. So here's one of them, and then there are 4 more cases we're going to take a look. Okay, so here is another one right here. Very nice fancy pink color. Okay, I've got all 5 of them out of the box from Miracase. So let's take a look at this one here. These 3 look very similar. The most likely to be the same case, same design, with different styles or different pattern design at the back here. You can see this one coming in blue with a gold stripes around here, and then this one is in pink with golden or rose pink on this one, and this one kind of like a transparent or a clear case with a little bit of sparkle on it. But let's have a look at the quality of the case. So this one here is like a hard plastic, so it has a full cover all around your device. So got the plastic here that you can kind of open out, so we can open this one out and pull out the top. Okay, this is a full body cover. So with the transparent one, you got a very hard plastic. You can hear it when I tap on it, and we can take it out, put the phone in. Now the side is very strong, so take a look at this. Look at the width. I'm just gonna bend it so you can see it has a hard cover at the back as well. They're very strong, and we're just gonna place the phone in, and then wonder if it's the right side because it's kind of like moving about. Okay, so you would have to place the phone in here first with this transparent mirror case. So you need to peel out here. Once you peel this one out, try not to touch on it, because if you touch on it, we'll place fingerprints mark on it. Also, you want to make sure you clean your screen before you place it in the front case. Now it's also you need to remove any screen protector if you want to have the best protections, because this one here is already a hard case, so you don't need a screen protector on your device, and you can just place it on like this. So you can peel out this one here. I'm not going to peel it out right now, I just want to place it in and take a look at it. Actually, we're going to peel it out so we can see what it looks like. So I'm just going to peel it out and then place the phone in like so. So you already got the front protected. So you can see here it is super shiny. And then what you want to do is place this one within this cover. Look at how thick this cover is. It's quite strong, it's quite thick as well. So just gonna place it in here. So the case go in like that, and just gonna push it all the way in. And here we got a full body 360 degrees cover, so it's covered on all sides, front, back, and yeah, so we can peel out this one here, and this will reveal the shiny back. It's a very lovely case, this one here. I feel quite protected. The phone is quite protected, so you can have a shiny front glass, so it's quite responsive. So you can see the phone is quite responsive with the front cover. So you got the front cover protected, so if you drop your phone I think it will give a very good protection. It's got all the bumper corner here. The edge at the bottom is also raised, so it is raised on each of the corner. Around here, around the camera is also raised, so that when you have your phone on the table like that, it doesn't actually scratch the camera lens. So I'm really excited with this case. It's quite nice. It's a little bit bulky, but you know, holding this phone, you can easily just kind of like place it on your table, this way, that way. Your phone not going to break with this case. It's really nice. It gives you a feeling of security. And yeah, so let's take a look at some other case as well. Now, just before we head off to the other cases, there's just one thing I want to mention is that the buttons are really soft to press. Some case with the button on the side here, sometimes they can be quite difficult to press, but with this one here, it's quite light to press. When I press on the button, I feel they are quite light, so it is easy to press on the button, not too hard. The cutting here is quite big as well, so you can easily plug in the charging cables. So you can see here the hole is quite large. You can easily plug in the charging cable and pull it out. The cutting is nice and rounded for the speaker and microphone, and also over here as well, the button, the hole is quite big, so that you can easily put your finger in to turn the silent switch on or off. So that is a good thing about it. Okay, this is another heavy duty case. Now it looks similar to the other case. You peel out this part here. So this one here has more of a rubber on the side. You can see it's not reflecting the shininess of the hardcover, but this is more of like a rubber case. Rubber is quite nice. Sometimes it gives a very good protections against drop, so it can absorb the impact better. So I'm just going to remove this padding, and you can place your phone again inside like this. So I'm just going to put it aside, and here you got also a rubber protection on the side as well. So you already got one layer of protections on the inside and around the edge here. So that is already one layer of protections, and then you got the screen cover as well. So this is a full cover from Miracase, and then you place it inside this. Again, this is a really full-on protection cover. So you can see the edge around here, they're quite hard and strong. So the rubber is strong. This one here is also a hard cover at the back, but the rubber around here is nice and soft. So let's put the phone in and see how it works with all the buttons. So now we need to close it. They're not that difficult to put in. It's quite a nice case. I would say this is heavy duty kind of case. But here now, bear in mind I do have a screen protector on, so it is recommended that you do not have any screen protector on this device, because the screen protector can add an extra layer or an extra layer of thickness, and it might not work so well. So you don't need a screen protector if you're using this case, because it already has a layer of protection at the top here. So there it is. So you just basically close it all in like this. So the buttons on the side here, because I didn't actually remove everything on the inside, so that's why the button is kind of like bulky. Okay, I just took it out and put it back in. Now this is another nice case from Miracase. So this case is quite nice if you're a tradie. So I'm just going to see why I cannot swipe up right here. So it's not responding to my touch. So let's take a look. Okay, to make sure that the screen works perfectly, make sure that you do not have a screen protector on, because that can again form another layer, and that cause the case not to work correctly. But overall, it's very beautiful case. To the back here, you can see everything is well thought out. This one here actually give quite a good raise at the top here, so your camera is well protected if you are placing it on the table right here. And again, all the edge around here are rubbers, so it can absorb the shocks if you kind of like put your phone that way. I wouldn't do this to my phone if it wasn't in a case like this. Okay, I can feel like I can kind of like drop it, and I can not really having to worry that I might crack the screen. So a perfect case if you are work outside, if you're a gardener, a plumber, or an electrician, if you're a tradie, this would be a perfect case for you. The buttons on this case here also is very soft to press. Here, when you press it, you just need to press it gently, and you can feel the click of the buttons. And the cutout is also is very generous, so you have enough room for your fingers to go in to turn on the switch, as well as the bottom down here. Okay, so the other two, they are very pretty much the same as this transparent one. The same design, different, just with different patterns, and they all have the tempered glass. So this one here at the top, actually a tempered glass protection, so it's not just kind of like plastic, but actual tempered glass at the top here. Now with this one here, it is a military grade protections, has been tested, so military GSG job tested. So you can drop this one on the ground, and it's most likely will or can protect your phone from breaking. And yeah, so this one here, similar design, so I won't go into all of them. Now this one here is a soft silicone one. It has kind of like a leather feel on the inside and a soft smooth feel on the outside. So we can put the phone in here and test it out. So it's quite easy to put it in. You slide it in and slide it out. Now you can see at the top here is also quite raised a little bit above the screen, so that when we place the phone down this way, it won't scratch the surface of your screen. Or if you place it on the back, then it won't scratch the lens, the camera lens, because it has been raised around the edge here. So if you can see it, it has been raised, as well as the screen itself. Also, this silicone, liquid silicones are quite nice and soft. And when I put my finger, there's no fingerprint on it, so you can see fingerprint resistance. And all of this case should work with wireless charger, so we're going to test it out. Okay, I've got a fast wireless charging here, so I'm just going to place it on, and you can see it's charging at the moment. So this case here, with this case you can wireless charge your iPhone 12 Pro, no problem at all. Okay, and this thick transparent case, so let's place on the charger, see if it can charge. So we have no problem at all with this one as well. It will be able to allow you to wireless charge on this Qi charger if we place it in correctly. So I'm just going to put it this way, make sure it sits in correctly. If it sits in the wrong position, it may not charge at all. So you need to place it correctly on the charger for it to charge. But it does work with your wireless charger. So just to press it on, it's already charging. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed to see all the different cases available for you to purchase. So if you decide to purchase one of this case, you can now at least see what it look like, if it works with your wireless charger or not, and what the buttons are like as well. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.